So we got to get everything in here out of here. And I'll show you a little trick. I'm sure any farmer with more experience than me just knew this, but nobody told me this. I had to discover it. So to me, it's a trick. Take your skid steer. Make sure you got a hay fork attachment on there without the fork. And then you go to the piece of equipment in question. You put a pin in there. I'm sure you can see where I'm going with this. Gonna need a Glen. I thought I could pull her out straight, but we gotta fix that. Somehow I got it in here. Yeah, we're hitting the roof. You're going in the pit. And that's all there is to it. So why do this as opposed to just using a tractor? This is a lot more maneuverable, and then I could put equipment in facing opposite directions to really maximize what storage I have, as opposed to a tractor where you can pretty much pull it in and drive the tractor out. And that gets logistically challenging. Thanks for tuning in, and hope to see you around harvest time.